if planet is affected, what's going to happen? Less resources. Yeah, what's going to happen if the planet is affected, guys? Ozone layer, right? Yes, pollution, of course. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Yeah, well, let's keep it going. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. If planet is affected, guys, what's going to happen? I see ozone layer depletion. Very good, guys. You know, I can do something with survival, or global warming. So pollution. Pollution. I'm gonna add something on pollution. Watch. I'm saying may affect agriculture. So I just included agriculture there, right? So you can do that as well. All right, nice. It may affect agriculture. We're going good. Nice. No. Nope. No. Wait. No. You can't click to the top. You can't click to the top. This is not how you do it. Nope. Somebody's clicking to the top. You can't click to the top, guys. You can't do that. You can't do that. You have to delete that. You have to delete that. You have to delete that. Delete the top. Nope. You cannot enter there. No. I'll have to delete it for you. You cannot. No, that's not how you do it, guys. That's not how you do it. Let me just delete these things. Hold on. So, I'll show you guys. Wildlife can't be there, right? You have to. Remember, we're building a mind map, right? So, you have to delete this. Let me delete this. Okay, I'll show you. Don't worry. This has to go to delete. Wildlife, delete. Right. So you have to click planet or click profit or click people, and you design the mind map accordingly, right? So for people, for example, I'm gonna create the first one for people. If this is affected, you're looking at poverty. You're looking at modern day slavery. Y'all got it? You're looking at modern day slavery as well. Let me move this across here. Right? Yeah, poverty, modern day slavery, unemployment. You're looking at child labor. Yeah. You're looking at so many different things, right? Yes, it will affect diversity. Yeah, you're right. Excellent. Good. You all got it. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Good work, guys. Good work.